A tree breaks due to the storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground by making 30 degrees angle with the ground. The distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 meters. Find the height of the tree before falling down. So what is the question? First we have a tree. After that, due to the storm, it was broken and fall down like this. Okay, ఇలా గ్రౌండ్ మీద వేలాడుతూ ఉంది. See this. For this question, first we are going to draw the figure. This is the original tree. It is due to the storm, it was broken. It was broken. This broken part bends. Okay, bends to the ground. And that means which is the broken part we have? This is broken part. This is the remaining tree. Okay, so in this broken part, this is the top of the tree, right, before falling down. The distance between the top of the tree to foot of the tree, which is 6 meters. So it says 6 meters. There is an angle. The top of the tree touches the ground by making 30 degrees angle. So which is the top of the tree touches the ground here with 30 degrees angle, right? So complete this figure. This is the right angle triangle. This is the another angle which is 60 degrees. For example, we have a B C, right? Actually, what is the height of the tree? The height of the tree is AC plus BC, right? We need to find the height of the tree before falling down, right? First thing we are going to find. To find height of the tree, AC plus BC. Okay, to find height of the tree is equals to AC plus BC. So we need to find what is the length of AC, what is length of BC. Okay, it is a right angle triangle which is the angles making 30 degrees and 60 degrees of angle. So to find the first thing, remaining part from 30 degrees of angle, the remaining part AC is the opposite side. What we have the length, that is AB is 6 meters, is the adjacent side. So first, to find the remaining part, we are going to use the remaining part by 6 meters, that is opposite by adjacent. So we are going to use the tan. So from triangle ABC, AB is equals to 6 meters, AC is equals to, going to take it as a X, AC is equals to X meters. I am going to use tan 30 degrees of value. What about tan 30 degrees? So tan 30 is equals to 1 by root 3. These three values we are going to use to find the AC. AC is nothing but X. So tan 30 is equals to opposite AB by C. So tan 30 is equal to opposite AC by AB. So tan 30 is equals to AC by AB. That is equals to 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is equals to 1 by root 3. Let's substitute the AC value and AB value for this. What is the AC? AC is the x by AB is the 6 is equals to 1 by root 3. Then x is equals to 6 by root 3. When we cancel with the root 3, 3 2s are, and root 3 we have, it is a 2 root 3 meters. So what is the remaining part of the tree? X is equals to 2 root 3. X is equals to 2 root 3. So let's find the broken part. Okay, the broken part is, what is the relation between AB to the broken part? So broken part is BC is the hypotenuse to the adjacent side. So what is the relation? Opposite to the adjacent side. What is the relation? Hypotenuse to the adjacent side. There is a cos 30. So I am going to use cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse, adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is the value of cos 30? So cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. Right? Actually cos 30 is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is AB. Hypotenuse is BC. That is equals to root 3 by 2. What about AB? AB is the 6. What is the broken part? We don't know. So write as BC or Y. Y is equals to root 3 by 2. So to solve the y go to the right side of the equals to root 3 by 2 comes to the left side of the is equals to 2 by root 3. That is equals to y. So when we have root 3 and the 6 was cancelled, 3 2s are and 2 root 3. So simply y is equals to 4 root 3. We have a remaining part of the length, that is 2 root 3. We have a broken part of the length, that is 4 root 3. So what is the height of the tree before falling down? Before falling down, height of the tree is AC plus BC. So height of the tree is equals to AC plus BC. What is the AC? Y. Y is 4 root 3 plus 2 root 3. That is equals to 6 root 3 meters. This is the answer. So we are going to write the height of the tree before falling down, 6 root 3 meters. Okay, simple. So we are going to find in this figure, first one remaining part by using the tan 30. Second one is the broken part by using the cos 30. Okay, simple. So by using the tan 30 we get the remaining part as 2 root 3. By using the cos 30 we get the broken part as 4 root 3. If both are height of the tree, so that is 6 root 3 meters. Okay, simple problem. We solve the problems by using the ratio of the sides. Simple, by using the ratio of the sides. So when we have the right angle triangle with 30 degrees and 60 degrees of angle, there is a simple technique here. 30 degrees of opposite, there is a x value. 60 degrees of opposite side is x root 3. And opposite to the 90 degrees is 2x. So I am going to take direct the answers. So which is the 30 degrees of opposite is x meters. Opposite of 60 degrees is x root 3 meters. Opposite to 90 is 2x meters. So from this question, I am going to draw the right angle triangle. 30 degrees with the ground. 60 degrees is the another one. So what is the length we have? We have the length 6 meters. The distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 meters. So foot of the tree, top of the tree on the ground is 6 meters. Let's compare the both triangles. Which is the 60 meters of opposite length? 60 meters of opposite length is x root 3. So it is a x root 3. What about x value? X is equals to 6 by root 3. Okay, because opposite of 30 degrees is x. Opposite of 30 degrees is x, that is 6 by root 3. Opposite of 90 is 2x. Then what about 2x is equals to 2x is equal to 6 12 by root 3. Right? So opposite of 90 degrees is 2x is equals to 12 by root 3. What is the answer? So the answer is, before falling down, the height of the tree is x and 2x. Simple. Both of the lengths. That is 6 by root 3 plus 12 by root 3. Root 3, 6 plus 12, 18. Okay. So when we cancel with the root 3, we get 6 root 3 on numerator. So height of the tree is 6 root 3 meters. Okay, simple. So there is no need to use the sine values, cos values, because directly we are implement the ratios of the right angle triangle when we have the 30 degrees and 60 degrees of the angles. So it was useful to solve the MCQs problems. Okay, multiple choice questions or short answer questions, we are going to use this method. Okay, in our competitive exams, we are going to use this method. So no need to write all these things. So directly, simply we are going to write which is the opposite to 30, which is the opposite to 60. Right? Okay. Right. In this question, suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of a building at a height of 6 meters to a target on the ground at an angle of depression of 60 degrees. What is the distance between you and the object? Okay. So you are on the top of the building. I am on the top of the building, right, from the height of 6 meters. I am going to shooting an arrow which is the target on the ground. This is our target, right? Now, so I am going to draw a horizontal line and line of sight and angle of depression. So this is actual my horizontal line, and when we are going to see the target, this is the line of sight. Horizontal line and line of sight, there is an angle of depression. What is the angle of depression? It was 60 degrees. It is a 60 degrees. But to solve the question, I am going to construct another triangle which is parallel to the horizontal line. So the base is parallel to the horizontal line. I am going to draw a horizontal line parallel to the horizontal line. So when those are parallel lines, this is symbol of parallel lines, internal alternate angles are same. It was 60 degrees, it is also 60 degrees. So we need to find out the distance between the U and the target. So this is we need. So it is means it was a hypotenuse. It is AB is the building, AC is the distance. So we need to find out the distance from the U and your target. So this is, I am going to find out the distance. D is equals to, which is the opposite to the right angle. So according to this triangle ABC, in right angle triangle ABC, I am going to take AB. AB is equals to 6 meters and hypotenuse AC. AC is equals to D, means we need the distance between U and the object or our target. AC is equals to D, and I am going to use the angle of 60 degrees. So at angle C is equals to 60 degrees. To find the distance D, this is hypotenuse. We are going to use the which ratio? Which ratio I am going to use? Sine 60. Sine 60 is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Let's see. So I am going to use the sine 60. Sine 60 is equals to opposite is AB by hypotenuse is AC. Hypotenuse is AC. So what is the value of sine 60? So sine 60 is equals to root 3 by 2. Let's substitute these values. Sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 is equals to AB is equals to 6 and AC is equals to D, right? When you want to D take it as a left side. D is equals to root 3 by 2 go to the outside, 6 into 2 by root 3. When root 3 2s are and root 3 we get, so cancellation of root 3 it is 4 root 3. Is it clear? So distance D is nothing but hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the 4 root 3. So what is the conclusion we are going to write? I am going to write as an answer. Distance between me and object. క్వశ్చన్లో యూ అన్నాడు కాబట్టి నేను రాసేటప్పుడు మీ అవుతా. మీ అండ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఈజ్ 4 root 3 meters. 4 root 3 meters. Okay, it was a simple question. So angle of depression problems ఇలా ఉంటాయి. The angle of depression problems, to construct a triangle you need to take one parallel line to horizontal line, and you construct a separate triangle from this, okay, from the height and the parallel line which is horizontal to the, which is a parallel line which is parallel to the horizontal, and hypotenuse is the same, right? Next one. Simply I am going to draw this figure to the competitive exams for the MCQ questions. Okay, you are on the top, this is the person, you are identify the object, this is the distance. So simply you have to remember that the angle of depression is, the angle of depression was located at your target point, at a target point. Angle of elevation was located at observer's point. Angle of depression was located at target point. Where is the target? Here. So angle of depression here 60 degrees. After all these things, after all these observations, I am going to conclude that angle of depression was located at target point, so 60 degrees. When it was 60, it is 30. So first you identify the angles. After that, which is the 30 degrees of opposite is x, which is 60 degrees of opposite is x root 3, right? Which is the opposite to 90 degrees is 2x. After identify these ratios, I am going to take the value from the question. What is the value? A person height of 6 meters. A person was standing on the height of 6 meters. Height of 6 meters is nothing but x root 3 is 6. Then what about x is equals to 6 by root 3? When x is equal to 6 by root 3, we need to find out the distance from the person to the targeted object here. So this is 2x we need to find. So 2x ante 2 into 6 by root 3. When we cancellation with root 3, 2 root 3s are 4 root 3 meters is the answer, direct. So to solve the MCQs or to solve in the competitive examinations, we need to remember that ratios of right angle triangle, which we have 30 degrees and 60 degrees of angles, right? Next one. Right, see this question, no need to worry. So this much of question how to solve, so no need to worry, it was a very simple question. An electrician wants to repair an electric connection on a pole of height 9 meters. First you identify the height of the pole. So I am going to take here This is height of the pole. Nine meters. The height of the pole is 9 meters. Simple. After that, height of the pole is 9 meters. He needs to reach 1.8 meters below the top of the pole to do the repair work. So he wants to reach where? 1.8 meters below the top of the pole. So this is the top of the pole. He wants to reach below the top of the pole of 1.8 meters. Okay, so when it is 1.8 meters, what about the remaining height from the ground? 9 minus 1.8, which is 7.2 meters. Okay, is it clear? The total height of the pole is 9 meters. He wants to reach 1.8 meters below the top. In that means he wants to climb 7.2 meters from the ground. It was clear-cut information. After that, what should be the length of the ladder he should use? To reach here, he wants to use a ladder. Okay, ladder like this. This is the ladder he wants to use. I am going to find out this length of the ladder, L. Okay, ladder is, I am going to find length of the ladder, right? How is that ladder? When he climbs at an angle of 60 degrees with the ground. So ladder makes an angle with 60 degrees with the ground. So this is the ground. What is the angle? 60 degrees. When it is 60 degrees, what is the angle here? 30 degrees. What is the angle here? 90 degrees. So now I am going to take A, B, C. Actual height of the pole is BC. So this is the D point. He wants to reach at D only. So I am going to take a triangle A, B, D only to solve the problem. Ladder, length of the ladder. After that, what will be the distance between the foot of the ladder and foot of the pole? So foot of the ladder here A, the foot of the pole is B, the distance between the both we need to take D. So after that I am going to find the D also. Okay, D is opposite to 30, 7.2, BD is opposite to 60, and length of the ladder is opposite to right angle triangle. Okay, so to solve this problem, very simple. I am going to using the triangle from the figure. In triangle A, B, D, I am going to use the A, B, D. To solve the length of the ladder, it was AD. I am going to use the height of the pole of 7.2 meters, which is BD. I am going to use the ratio between the ladder to 7.2, in that means opposite side to hypotenuse, that is sine value. I am going to take sine value. Now in triangle BD, ABD, which is BD is equals to 7.2 meters. After that, AD is equals to L. So after that we need to find AB also. So AB is equals to D. Angle A is equals to 60 degrees. Right? Now I am going to use sine 60 degrees. Sine 60 degrees is equals to sine 60 of opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is BD. BD by what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AD. Right? To find the AB value, from the 60 degrees of angle, AB is the adjacent side, and which is the length we have 7.2 is the opposite side. So ratio between the opposite side to adjacent side, what is the ratio? It was a tan value. So I am going to take tan 60 to find the distance. Tan 60 is equal to, which is the opposite, AD, by which is the adjacent, AB. Okay, these two problems we are going to solve. Simple. So what is the sin 60 value? Sin 60 is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. It was root 3 by 2. So sin 60 is equals to root 3 by 2. It is equals to, what is the BD? BD is 7.2 by, what is the AD? AD is the L. To write the length comes to the left side of the equation, root 3 by 2 goes to the right side of the equals to. So length comes to left side, L is equals to 7.2 into 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. So to solve the 7.2, I am going to cancel the point or decimal. It was by 10. So 3 72s are 3 2s are 6. So 1 3 4s are 12. Okay, so 24 2s are 48. We are cancelled with root 3 means it was 48 root 3. We have by 10. So I am going to take 4.8 root 3 meters. So what is the length of the ladder? 4.8 root 3 meters. After that, I am going to conclude the tan 60. What is the value of tan 60? Tan 60 is opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent is root 3. Tan 60 is equals to root 3. What about AD? AD is the, not AD, sorry, it was a BD. Sorry for that. So tan 60 is the opposite is BD. Okay. So BD is the 7.2 by AB. AB is the distance D. We need the distance between foot of the pole and the foot of the ladder. That is AB. So D comes to the left side. D is equals to root 3 go to the outside. So 7.2 by root 3. So when we cancel with the same things, it is 24. 24 in that means 2.4 root 3. 2.4 root 3. So what is the distance between the two foots, which is the ladder foot and the pole? That is the 2.4 root 3. What is the height of the ladder? It is a 4.8 root 3. So we need to conclude the answers. What is the answer? Answer రాయాలండి ఖచ్చితంగా. Length of the ladder is 4.8 root 3. Distance between foot of ladder and foot of the pole. And foot of the pole is 2.4 root 3. It's a simple problem, but in this problem we need to find the two concepts. One is length of the ladder and one is distance between the foot of the ladder to foot of the pole. Okay, it was simple. First thing, to find the ladder length, we are going to use sin 60. To find the distance, we are going to use the tan 60 value. Right? It was a very simple. So you try to solve this problem by using the sides of the right angle triangle ratio. Okay, in the shortcut way. Right? For more videos, subscribe the Sutra Online YouTube channel and download the Sutra Online app for the chapter wise complete exercises along with PDF notes. Okay, for 10th class mathematics and the physics and the chemistry. So each and every topic detail explained in that app, the Sutra Online app. Thank you.